Go, okay, what do we got there?
Look at this.
Looser. Alright, we're going on the Hiwassee River. I know it says the Hiwassee, but it's really the Hiwassee. And we're going to go, we're actually going to drop one of these people. It's the first time they ever rafted before. See right there? All that up there.
The boat was turned around backwards.
That's right.
They'll be fine.
They'll be fine. Chris, any comments before? Anything? Yeah. Alright, go! Hey, how you doing, guys? We're on the river right now. The Hiwassee. I got a gimp arm, so I really can't raise it. I got to hold things. Alright. Hey, James, how you doing? Pretty good. Loser.
Hey, interview Chris first.
Lakata, how you doing over there, buddy? Alright, fiddle of love, fiddle of love. Hey, good game, by the way, guys. I want to tell all of you, good game. Are you videotaping? Oh, yeah.
Do you think bears will eat sex mix?
I don't know.
So if I fall asleep back,
yeah, baby.
if I fall asleep with my bag open, will they come after me?
Yeah, they will.
We got crap. Hey, you guys, we have another waterfall. We're able to get stuff there. Yeah, I want to go up. You guys.
I think I just wet myself.
Hold on! That's not it. Coming through. Coming around. Push it off there. Hey, how you doing?
How you doing? How you doing?
Oh. Alright, we're stuck in a river right now. Hey, guys. That boy actually just pinched a loaf over there.
Sorry, that was me.
Oh. Hey, how you doing, Lakata? He doesn't speak at all. Why don't you float down to me? Loser.
Hey, why don't you pass it, Chief? Hey, Chief, I will. Can you get out by the bottom?
Nothing. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Hey, Chief, I'll float down to you.
We got a floater.
Oh, my God. Chris!
How do you water bottle?
I got it.
Let go.
God, it's so hard holding two people. Okay, here we go.
Dude, you made me hit the floor. Hey, how you doing?
I'm not holding you. You're on your own, dude. Later.
I'm there.
Dang it.
Oh,
the train! We're gonna see here the train!
no.
Where's the track?
He stood like this. Like, what are you doing?
What'd you think he was doing?
Peeing. He
Oh.
was standing here like this.
I wasn't. Just like that? Just like that. How you doing?
Hey, how you doing? How's prison? No, I'm there with you. Hey, you got some fun?
Alright, right now we're on the Hiwassee River. I was feeling a little sick. And Chris, make Dizzle, make sure, I know Lakata hasn't been feeling too good up there. What was that? What is that?
That was cheap.
Dude, that was,
There was like no juice, it all fell out.
he ate it. Dude.
They're going up this mountain. They need to hit right there.
Dude, guys, I'm not feeling well right now. I've got some serious diarrhea problems right now, and I'm really trying to hold it in because I really don't want to shart myself. And I believe that's a combination of poopy and passing.
Uh-oh!
Chief, come on, man. You gotta... Hold on a minute. Not right now, okay? Just hold your horses there, buddy.
I'm really not feeling good right now. I'm about to turn around and crap myself.
Chief, no, come on. Oh! Chief!
Chief!
Sorry! Oh, crap! I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry, you poor thing. I do.
I'm the only one I didn't get it.
Wait a minute, he didn't get it.
Oh, you didn't get it. Hey, we should have got
I got a gimp arm! Oh, dude. Dude, that doesn't look... Oh.
Chief, I want some more. Give me some.
I told you I wasn't feeling well, guys. I am so sorry.
Oh, stop back!
Oh, yeah.
There's the rock Hassan was on.
Get back in that stuff.
Yeah. Hey, did y'all like that? Camera's recording.
It didn't get that girl screaming, did it?
No, but we got that dude taking your picture.